Understanding Human Papillomavirus (HPV) Infection, Epidemiology, Prevention, and Impact on Cervical Cancer. By R. Gopinath, M. Arundhati, A. Dhansejia, and G. Susaila Thangam. Human papillomavirus (HPV) infection is the most common viral sexually transmitted infection worldwide, contributing considerably to female malignancies. HPV is the causative agent of many dermatological and sexually transmitted illnesses. The most prevalent sexually transmitted disease is HPV infection, which is usually healed by the immune system. Although most HPV infections resolve on their own, chronic HPV infection is closely linked to an increased risk of cervical cancer and genital warts. HPV is linked to more than 90% of cervical malignancies, the fourth most deadly malignancy in women. Furthermore, HPV is associated with genital and upper aerodigestive tract cancers, as well as cutaneous and anogenital warts. The aim of the study is to review different aspects of HPV infection, including its ramifications and options for improvement. Organized cervical screening programs have proven to be more effective than opportunistic techniques, consistently reducing cervical cancer incidence and mortality. Over the last 40 years, affluent countries have seen significant decreases in these rates, owing primarily to rigorous cytological screening and vaccine campaigns. Vaccinations are highly successful in avoiding infections and illnesses caused by certain HPV types in women who have not previously been exposed to HPV. Despite the effective deployment of HPV vaccination programs in many countries, problems in prevention and treatment remain, particularly in developing and low-resource settings. HPV are DNA viruses that infect skin and mucosal cells. Statistical data from recent years demonstrate that using HPV vaccines to prevent infection and sickness caused by specific HPV genotypes is quite successful. Vaccination programs have been undertaken with great effectiveness in several nations throughout the world. It is concluded that understanding the prevalence and type distribution of HPV could help the vaccination program be implemented successfully. In order to increase awareness of this public health issue, educational health promotion projects for the general public should be made available. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.